Driving down the highway, just you and me, in our big rig, living wild and free. With our two pups in the back, tails wagging bright, we're chasing dreams under the stars at night. Husband and wife, we're a trucking team. Through the ups and downs, we're living the dream. From coast to coast, we deliver the load. Together we ride on this winding road.
Hey y'all, welcome back. On today's episode, we pick up in Iowa for an overnight run out to Washington State for the next day. So come along with us and see what happens.
Good bright and early morning. It is
Right.
7 o'clock Central Time, a little after 7. We just actually left the delivery. We didn't film nothing on that one. It was a short little jump, but this one we're going to film on because we're headed out to Washington for some god-awful reason.
Some god-awful, really? We're going out there for the money.
It's all about the money, huh? It's all about the Benjamins, baby. Anyways, it's a quick one. We pick up today, deliver tomorrow. I don't know how we're gonna do
It's like
1,400 miles,
it's doable.
1,500 miles. We're gonna have to hustle.
Yeah.
Ain't no dragging feet on this one. Anyways, thanks for stopping back. Thanks for being here. Appreciate each and every one of you. Thanks for hitting that subscribe button. Remember, we can move a lot of things across this country, but the one thing we can't do is grow this channel without your help, or move this channel without your help. So please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, share this out with all your friends, and let the world know that we're here, that we show the expedited side of the world, and we're trying to build a community. So we're growing slowly, and that's okay. We are on our way. We just left pretty much Lincoln, Nebraska. We're just south of there. Now we're headed back north. Do you remember the name of the town we're going to? I don't remember the name of the town.
It's in Iowa.
It's in Iowa? Esterville, Iowa. To pick up a hot load, pretty much. That's going out to somewhere in Washington. I'm not sure the name of the town, but Quincy, Washington, for tomorrow. I don't know what time we're supposed to be out there. I didn't even look at that either. But anyways,
10 a.m.
10 a.m.
It's a 24-hour run.
Yeah, we might be able to make that. Anyways, we gotta be out there for 10 a.m. their time, so we're actually gonna be gaining time. A little bit of time going out there, technically. Well, it's actually have to be 9 a.m. their time.
That'd be 10, 9, 8.
8 a.m. their time.
8, 7 or 8.
65309.
Yeah.
Anyways, thanks for being here, guys. We're tired. It's early. Other than that, somebody went off-roading. He's stuck. Someone's calling for a record this morning. I bet you his company's thrilled. Anyways, this is a bit of a 3-minute rant. Not a rant, but a ramble. Yeah, 3-minute ramble.
Oh, yeah.
And the wife doesn't like editing these, so we'll have to end it here and show you what we're doing. Here we go. Some sort of wires, plugs for stuffs. 3 skids going to Washington State. So let's strap it in and let's go. Good afternoon, everybody. So it's been a minute. We just switched out. I just took over. It is 4:17 in the afternoon local time. We're at Love's in Sioux Falls? South Dakota, North Dakota?
South Dakota?
One of the Dakotas.
190?
And wife just got done driving for the day. I'm taking over. Looks like it's going to be a windy one.
Oh, yeah.
So I figured I'd battle the wind while she took a break. So let's get at it. Let's get after it. We are loaded and we're on our way to Washington. So, well, it looks fun.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go ride that dragon.
About 2:50 this morning. I'm just west of Billings, and we're still about 700 miles. Just putting rubber to pavement and trying to get over to Washington.
Hey y'all, if you're interested in expediting and you want to give it a shot, and you have a Class A or a Class B CDL, please give our friends over there at Hyfield a call. 833-HYFIELD.
One of the perks of working for Hyfield is you can bring your pets with you.
So if you're interested, give our friends over there at Hyfield a call. And remember, they do also have Class A CDL jobs available in tractor trailer. Same household teams are preferred, or do you have an established team? Give them a call also. They do have trucks that'll fit you guys too. So give them a call at
1-833-493-4353, option 1.
Thanks, guys. Let them know J Squared Expediting sent you. Good morning, everybody from Montana. We stopped off here at a PetSmart, so we get some dog food for the dogs. And I guess this is where the wife decided to take her 30-minute break. Been a pretty good ride. We've been hustling because we've got to get there before the place closes, I would assume. Then they close at 5 p.m., so we got to, as soon as this 30 minutes breaks up in another 5 minutes, we got to keep hustling, keep pushing, and
About 40 minutes, 45 minutes short.
yeah, I know. And we're gonna knock this out. So we've had to hustle with this one. They sent it to us late, picked it up late because they sent it to us late, and it one of those things we've been rocking and rolling. So
Trying to, anyways.
yeah, she's got 4 minutes, so let her get this 4 minutes. How's the drive been, babe?
It wasn't until I reached Missoula that it started getting windy again. Other than that, it's been boring. I mean, the view is beautiful, but nothing really uneventful happened.
So, all right, well, let us finish up this 30-minute break, and she'll get back on the road, and we'll talk to y'all a little bit.
We are switching out. We are about 80 something miles from where we gotta be. Made it to the Loves here in Ritzville, Washington. Trying to wait to let the boys out. There's somebody that has 2 little dogs that they're letting out, so it's been a long day. About 640 miles, maybe a little less, something like that. It's been a long day. All right, we are on our way, and how far are we out?
29 miles from the end, 41 miles from home.
And so catch you when we get there.
All right, well, we've made it out to the delivery. Man, I'm getting some weight in my beard. Quite a bit, good Lord. I'm gonna have to get me some of that just for men or whatever. But as you can see, we're in the dock. They're unloading us now, so we'll get this kicked off and we'll get out of here. And I appreciate you all stopping back. So thanks for being here. Thanks for being part of what we're trying to build here. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, share this out with your friends. Remember, be good to one another and live to expedite another day. We're out. We'll see you on the next one.